Okay, let's get real for a minute. You watched the tutorials, you tried AI, and the results were weird. Maybe it was too robotic, totally missed the point, or gave you something you'd never send to a client. First thing, this is completely normal. It's not you. It's not that AI is bad. It's that you're learning a new language. Every single person who's great at this now had these exact same struggles. Today is about getting you unstuck. I've gathered the most common questions and frustrations from your comments. We're going to troubleshoot them together, and I'll give you my simple fixes. Think of this as your AI pit stop. Struggle number 1. The tone is all wrong, too robotic or too casual. Problem: the AI's tone doesn't match your brand voice. It sounds like a textbook or a teenager. The fix: you have to define tone for the AI. It can't read your mind. The weak prompt is the culprit. Instead, we use tone adjectives and voice descriptors. Write a LinkedIn post announcing my new Clarity and Action coaching program for overwhelmed entrepreneurs. Tone: warm, encouraging, and professional, like a trusted mentor. Voice: use you and we. Avoid jargon and be direct. Inspiration: think of Brené Brown's mix of empathy and actionable advice. Include one question to spark conversation in the comments. See the difference? We move from vague to specific. Get a mood board in words. Pro tip: paste a paragraph you've written that you love and add. Match this tone. Struggle number 2. It's too vague / not specific enough. Problem: you ask for a marketing plan and get a generic, useless list. The fix: use the Adjectives plus for the purpose of framework. You must provide context and constraints. This output is meaningless. Let's constrain it and give it a role. Act as a marketing consultant for a small, boutique yoga studio. For the purpose of attracting new local clients in the next 90 days, create a simple 3-part marketing plan. Constraints: budget is under $500, and the owner can only dedicate 5 hours a week. Please include 1 low-effort social media tactic, 2 1 local partnership idea, 3 1 simple email sequence for current members. By defining the role, purpose, and constraints, we get answers we can actually use. The AI needs a box to think inside of. Struggle number 3. It hallucinates, makes stuff up. Problem: the AI states incorrect facts, fake statistics, or cites non-existent sources. This is called hallucination. The fix: never trust it as a source. Always verify and use instructions to curb this behavior. First, you can command it up front. Add this line to your prompt. If you are unsure or lack specific data, please say so, rather than guessing. Second, for factual research, always turn on web search. This forces it to ground answers in current, real sources. And third, for outputs that need to be factual, always end with: please provide links / sources for key information. Then, you must click and verify those sources yourself. Struggle number 4. I don't know how to fix a bad output. Problem: you get a meh result and don't know how to steer it back on track. The fix: don't start over. Have a conversation. Use the regenerate, rewrite, or shorter / longer buttons, or just tell it what's wrong. Regenerate gives you another try. But for real control, reply to the AI with feedback. Thanks. This is close. Please make it more enthusiastic. Focus more on the benefit of saving time rather than the features. Can you also add a bullet point list for the top 3 benefits? Talk to it like a junior employee who needs clear direction. More casual, more data-driven, less salesy are all valid instructions. Iteration is key. The golden rule and recap. After all this, here's the one rule to remember. You are the expert. AI is the tool. It has knowledge, but you have context, judgment, and taste. Your job is to guide, edit, and approve. You now have the fixes for the biggest struggles. The path from weird to winning is just a few tweaks away. Conclusion: I've created a free troubleshooting cheat sheet PDF with these fixes and example prompts. Grab it in the description. Imagine having 150 plus of these prompts ready to go. My small business AI toolkit gives you exactly that. Instant inspiration, zero guesswork. The link's waiting for you below. For our series finale, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'll show you a full day in my AI-powered business, how all these pieces flow together seamlessly to save me 10+ hours a week. You won't want to miss this vision of what's possible. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.